One day, the owners noticed that something was wrong with the kitten's nose. The feline was coughing, sneezing, and constantly scratching its nose. Initialment, neo compreenderam ok fazer e cumcaram a buscar informações na internet. Lá descobriram que insetos podem entrar nas cavidades nasais dos animais, o que pode levar a seriosos problemas de saúde. Rapidamente, entraram contato com veterinário e o levaram para uma consulta. The veterinarian examined the cat, and confirmed the presence of a larva in the nose. They decided to remove it to prevent potential complications. To remove the larva, the veterinarian used a special tool that allowed for gentle extraction from the nasal cavity. Surprisingly, the cat remained very calm on the operating table, as if it understood that it was being helped, and didn't emit any meows. The veterinarian successfully removed the larvae, which were from parasitic flies. Parasitic flies belong to the family of two-winged flies, known as round-stomached flies. These larvae parasitize mammals, including humans. Unfortunately, the only way to get rid of them is through careful removal or manual squeezing. The average body size of these flies ranges from 9 to 25 millimeters, and some species resemble bees and bumblebees. Each larva creates a capsule with a breathing hole. The average body size of these flies ranges from 9 to 25 millimeters, and some species resemble bees and bumblebees. Each larva creates a capsule with a breathing hole. Friends, comment below if you've heard of this larva.